to speak short sentences in English also. That will help to improve, to learn how to speak in English. When you want to ask कौन सा पेज खोलना है मैम, तो you will say, ma'am please tell us the page number. Ma'am, can you please tell me the page number? Now, Omash, which lesson are we doing in science? We did yesterday also. Which?
Around us.
Things around us. Very good. Now let me see who has opened the page and can tell me. Hayat, can you tell me which page is that? Things around us.
25.
24, 25. Very good. Okay, so you got the page number. Page number 24, 25.
क्या होगा? 4 लिखा होगा.
24 पेज नंबर.
Sakina. Good morning, Sakina.
Good morning, ma'am.
What happened? You were not there in the first period, child?
मैम, मैं जल्दी उठ नहीं पाई थी.
ओके, कोई बात नहीं. आगे से ध्यान रखिएगा. रात में जल्दी सोइएगा तो सुबह जल्दी उठते हैं. ओके. एंड आई लाइक इट सकीना, यू आर ऑनेस्ट. चिल्ड्रन सी, सकीना ने सच बोला. सकीना ने मैम से सच बोला, मैम मैं सुबह जल्दी उठ नहीं पाई थी. You have to learn to speak the truth. Very good, Sakina. I'm very happy, child, that you're learning to speak the truth. सानवी भी सुबह जल्दी नहीं उठ पाई थी कल.
Thank you.
Welcome, child. Okay. Right. Learn to speak the truth always. Good, children. Now, yesterday we started with things around us, and remember we had seen all the things around us in the room. Yes, and you had named some things. Now, quickly we are just going to revise. God bless you, Aradhya. Now, there are certain things which are made by man and certain things which have been created by God that are already there in nature. Now, quickly we are going to just revise. Astha, you will name 2 man-made things. Any 2 man-made things. जो man ने बनाई है चीजें.
Ma'am, shoe and cap.
Shoe and cap. Okay, very good. Aradhya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, any 2 things made by man.
Ma'am, car and house.
Now see, you are answering out of turn, which I don't like. You have to learn to be disciplined.
Ma'am, car and shoe.
Car and
Shoe.
shoe. Okay, very good. Pranjali, can you name 2 things made by man?
हम क्या कार और अम्ब्रेला बोल सकते हैं?
Yes.
Okay.
You have to think. मम्मी से नहीं पूछना है, अपने आप सोचना है मैन ने क्या क्या चीजें बनाई है.
I'm बोलते फोन और हेडफोन.
आयत, मम्मी से नहीं पूछना है. कल रीडिंग करी थी लेसन की आफ्टर क्लास.
Bag, book, pencil.
Okay. Yes, Pranjali, right. I have named 2 things made by man.
Ma'am, phone or earphone.
Okay, earphones. All right. Sakina, let's hear you. 2 things that are natural. 2 things that are natural. याद रखना, natural चीजें वो हैं जो God ने बनाई हैं.
Ma'am, water and sun.
Water and sun. Very good. Shubh, can you name 2 natural things?
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Tree.
Trees. Okay. Yes, Ronak, you're trying to say something?
आपको मेरी वॉइस क्लियर आ रही है?
रोनिक, आपकी वॉइस आ रही है बेटे, लेकिन बहुत धीमी आ रही है. अब आप बताइए, 2 नेचुरल चीजें बताइए, फिर हम आपको फिर से सुनते हैं. 2 नेचुरल थिंग्स. रोनिक, Ronak, can you hear me? Ronak, can you hear me, child? Ronak, I think there's some network problem at his end. All right, Hassan, name two natural things. Hassan is making big eyes first. Yes, Hassan,
Trees,
two natural things.
trees, water,
Trees, water. Okay, thank you. Arav, you don't have to sit and talk in class. Name two natural things.
sorry ma'am,
Name two natural things.
and animal, tree, animal, trees.
Okay, very good. Animals, trees, right? Thank you. Ali, good morning.
Good morning ma'am.
Where were you in the first period, child? Ali, what happened in the first period? Did you wake up late today? Ali, quickly answer.
मैम नेटवर्क इशू
नेटवर्क इशू। आप टाइम पर उठ गए थे मॉर्निंग में? सच बताइए सुबह।
यस मैम
Ali, did you wake up on time, child?
मैम 8:15 पे
8:15 पर उठे थे. So you have to learn to speak the truth. सच बोलना सीखना है. Okay? Ma'am, I got a plate. Finished. Right? Next time be careful. Don't be absent for your classes. You have to attend all the classes, children. Now quickly, Ali, you will name two natural things.
माउंटेन रिवर
Mountains, rivers. Okay, very good. All right. Aram, can you name two living things now? Now we have finished revising man-made and natural things. Now we are going to revise living and non-living things. Living and non-living things. Right? Come on, Aram. Two living things.
प्लांट ह्यूमन बीइंग प्लांट ह्यूमन बीइंग
Plants and human beings. Okay, good. Yes, Ronik.
मेरी आवाज आ रही है
Yes, अब आ रही है. अब आप हमें two living things बताइए.
वाटर और स्काई
Living things. कल मैंने बताया था living things are those things that can eat, that can walk.
दैट bed and house
रौनक, लिविंग थिंग्स. लिविंग थिंग्स वो होते हैं जो चल सकते हैं, बोल सकते हैं, खा सकते हैं, फील कर सकते हैं.
man bird
बर्ड्स. ओके. रौनक, birds, all the animals, human
excuse
beings.
me ma'am
All right, children. Yes, Astha.
excuse me ma'am ma'am
Inaya's.
Inaya
Yes, Inaya.
ma'am ma'am
Yes, Inaya.
ma'am human being and animals plants
Human beings, animals, plants. Come on, all of you, show me three fingers quickly. Shobha is feeling sleepy early in the morning. Show me three fingers quickly. Come on, living things we'll count. Human beings, open your mouth and speak loudly. I want to see your lips moving. Human beings, plants, animals. Hassan, can you show me those three fingers and count? Open your mouth and speak. Three fingers. Yes. Human beings, plants, animals. All of you repeat. Human beings, plants, animals. These are all living things. These are all living things. Living things are those things that can move, that can breathe, जो सांस ले सकते हैं, जो खा सकते हैं, जो चल सकते हैं. Right? Now, Wali, can you tell me what are non-living things? किन चीजों को हम नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स बोलते हैं? Table and chair. Okay. Now, Vinayak, can you tell me why table and chair are called non-living things?
No, ma'am.
Think, non-living things. टेबल और चेयर नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स क्यों होते हैं? सोचिए. अभी हमने आपको बताया लिविंग थिंग्स वो होते हैं जो चल सकते हैं, बोल सकते हैं, खा सकते हैं. तो फिर नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स क्या होंगी?
इंसान.
टेबल और चेयर अभी बताया वाली ने नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स है. क्यों नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स है? क्योंकि वो ना चल सकते हैं, ना बोल सकते हैं, ना खा सकते हैं. गॉट इट विनायक?
Yes, ma'am.
ऑल राइट. हार्दिक, नेम टू नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स. Hardik, can you hear me, child? Hardik, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
You are sitting and talking. आपके साथ रूम में कौन है? कौन है रूम में? आवाज आ रही है बेटे और आप बोल रहे हैं कोई नहीं है. आप उधर देख भी रहे हैं. कौन है रूम में? अपना मोबाइल स्क्रीन उधर घुमाइए.
No, ma'am.
हार्दिक, आपके साथ रूम में कोई तो है जिनसे आप पूरा टाइम बैठकर उधर देख के बातें कर रहे हैं और अभी भी आप उधर ही देख रहे हैं.
No, ma'am. Yeah. कोई नहीं है मैम.
आप उधर देख के बात कर रहे हैं, हंस रहे हैं और आप बोल रहे हैं कोई नहीं है. Now name two non-living things quickly. All right. Rudraksh, name two non-living things quickly.
Table, chair.
Okay, very good. Table, chair. Aradhya, stop playing with the pencils. Name two non-living things quickly. Aradhya, name two non-living things.
Yes, ma'am.
Two non-living things.
Table, chair.
टेबल, चेयर. आप लोग को सिर्फ टेबल चेयर बार बार याद आ रहा, और भी चीजें नॉन लिविंग होती हैं. हसन, विल यू फोल्ड योर हैंड्स एंड सिट स्ट्रेट?
Ma'am, bed and bags.
Bed and bags. Okay, Astha. Ishanvi, name two non-living things.
TV and bed.
Okay, bed. Sanvi, two non-living things. Sanvi,
Yes, ma'am.
any two non-living things.
Bed, table,
Okay,
chair.
good. Prashasti, two non-living things.
Ma'am, TV and fridge.
TV and fridge. Okay, good. Arav, two non-living things.
Ma'am, copy and book.
Copy and books. Very good. Ayat, two non-living things. There are many non-living things, children. If you look around in your room only, you can see.
Ma'am, scale and fridge and
Scale,
pencil
fridge,
box.
okay, box, very good. Children, all the clothes that you're wearing, your mobile phones that you're using, the computers that you're using, erasers, sharpeners, pencils, boxes, books, copies, bed sheet, bed, all these are non-living things which cannot move on their own and they do not eat anything.
Ma'am, plane.
Yes, Hayat?
Ma'am, plane.
Plain, okay, good. So there are so many non-living things, children. When we look around, there are so many non-living things. And these non-living things have been made by man. Man-made things are those which cannot move, which cannot eat, right? So please don't forget, living things are human beings, plants and animals. Natural things, sky, stars, sun, moon, water, trees, plants, all these are natural things that have been created by God. Man-made things are house, bags, books, computers. All these things have been made by man. Right? Now, once again, I'm going to read the lesson. All of you put your finger there and follow quickly in the book. Open to page 24. Page 24.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I go to toilet.
May I go to toilet? Yes, Rishita, go. Now one child has asked, the others please don't start asking. The others
Ma'am,
don't
मैंने तो
begin. You should have done it in the break. All right, page number 24. Page number 24. Start reading, Inaya. Page number
we
24.
see many things around us.
First you read the
So
heading, Inaya.
some things around us.
Yes.
We see many things around us. Some of these these things are
Made by man.
made by man.
Okay, thank you, Inaya.
Some
Arham, continue. Arham, continue.
yes, ma'am.
Arham, continue.
Pencil bag.
Arham, I'm saying continue. Inaya started reading. You have to continue. Were you paying attention? Some occur naturally. Line number 3, page number 24. Put your finger there. Children, all of you put your finger there on the book. Some occur naturally.
Some
Occur
occur
naturally.
naturally.
इसका मतलब होता है कुछ चीजें होती हैं जो प्रकृति में पहले से हैं. Already there. Next line. Read the next line also. Let us learn about them.
Let us
Learn let
learn
about
about
them.
them.
Okay. Aram, somebody is there in the room with you? Aram, who's there?
No, ma'am.
Somebody whistled. Somebody whistled in the class.
No, ma'am.
See, if there is somebody, please let me know. and say sorry. I don't like children who tell lies.
Okay, ma'am.
There was somebody who whistled. Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
What are you supposed to say?
Yes, ma'am.
So what are you supposed to say when you do something wrong? Arham, you don't need to feel bad. You don't need to feel bad at all.
Sorry, ma'am.
Yes, that's it. जब हमसे कोई गलती होती है तो हमको तुरंत सॉरी बोलना है. Right? Okay.
Yes.
Arav, continue page number 25. Arav, page number 25. Man-made and natural things. All of you put your finger there and I want to see your lips moving. सबको रीडिंग करना है.
Things that are made by man are no,
Known as.
no,
Known.
as
That word is known.
known as man-made things.
Okay, very good. Now, children, listen carefully. Listen carefully to how I am reading. बहुत ध्यान से सुनना है. हम आपको हमेशा बोलते हैं डेली रीडिंग की प्रैक्टिस करनी है. लाउड रीडिंग. और मैम को ध्यान से सुनिए कैसे कर रहे हैं. नेक्स्ट लाइन, पुट योर फिंगर देयर. द बुक यू रीड, the pencil you write with. Now there is a comma after read and there is a comma after with. So जहाँ पर comma होता है, you have to pause. You have to wait. And where there is a full stop, वहाँ पर wait थोड़ा लंबा होगा. The book you read, the pencil you write with, the bag in which you carry your books, houses, cars, and many other things are made by man. Understood? Prashasti, continue.
Yes,
Continue.
books, houses, cars, and many other things are
Things
made
that
by
are not
man.
things that are not made by man. Read that line. I already read the top line.
Okay, ma'am. Things that are made by man are known as man-made things.
Prashasti, you have to read the down portion, the next paragraph below the bag and the house picture.
The book,
The
the
things that are not made by man.
things that are
Prashasti, we are here. I have already finished reading this. Now you have to read this. Put your finger
okay,
here.
ma'am.
Children, put your
Okay,
finger
ma'am.
there, all of you. Things that are
Things that are not things that are not made by man are known as natural things. They are
already
already
present.
present in natural
Nature.
mountains,
Nature.
rocks.
Prashasti, that word is
Yes,
nature.
okay, ma'am.
Already
Nature,
present in nature means पहले से nature में है. Next line.
nature, mountains, rocks, rivers, clouds, and many out other things
occur
occur
naturally.
naturally.
मीन्स अपने आप ये सब चीजें नेचर में आ जाती है. ये सब चीजें अपने आप आ जाती हैं. गॉड हैज क्रिएटेड ऑल दीज थिंग्स, दे आर देयर. ओके, टर्न द पेज चिल्ड्रन. Sakina, read living and non-living things. Living and Sakina, your mic is off, child.
Living and non-living things.
Yes. You already
You already
read about
read about
many natural things.
many natural things.
They can be
Things natural,
living or
living or
non-living.
non-living.
Okay, thank you, Sakina. Hriday, continue.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Vaishnavi.
I am a go to washroom.
Go. Yes,
Living
Hriday.
things and are those that need food.
Need. Yes. They grow,
They clothe,
breathe,
sleep,
feel,
and
produce.
repeat. Repeat
Okay.
it and
Move
on
on.
your own.
Okay, thank you. Rudraksh, read the next line. Rudraksh, read the next line.
Animal, plants, and
Humans
humans
are
are
living things.
living things.
Okay, thank you. Shubh, read the next line.
Non-living things are
Those
the clothes
that
that
do not
do not
need food.
need food.
Okay, thank you. Asta, read the next line. They do not grow. Your mic is off, child.
They not
Grow, breathe,
be
feel,
be
or
or
produce
produce
babies.
babies.
Okay, Vinayak, the last line. Vinayak, put your finger on the last line.
They cannot move person. They do not. They can move
From
from one person to
one place
one place to
another
another on
their own.
their own.
That means वो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह अपने आप नहीं जा सकते हैं. Right? Okay. Now, children, for your homework, please make sure you are reading the lesson and learn up all the difficult spellings. In the next science class, I'm going to ask you the spellings. Yeah, today's homework is to read this lesson very well and learn up all the new words, the spellings, difficult spellings that you feel. You will learn up all those spellings. Is that clear to all of you? You will learn up all those spellings. Right? Okay, so today with me you had only 2 periods. So I'm not saying the home time prayer just now because you still have 2 periods. Your classes are not over yet. अभी आपके 2 classes और हैं. The day has not finished for studies. So I am not saying the home time prayer. Right? So thank you. Have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.